Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. It's Antonio here. If you're new on this channel, you're so very welcome. Today's project is charcoal soap. So we're going to be making some I want to make some guest soap size charcoal soap using some melt and pour soap base. I've done several soaping video using the melt and soap base. So as I said previously, the quickest way and the healthiest, safest way to do it is chop the soap into cubes, melt in a microwave for about 10 seconds, stir it, put it back for 10 seconds until it's fully liquefied. So till you reach this consistency, pardon me. So what we're going to do is add in some charcoal powder. Now, charcoal powder became very popular in the cosmetic industry. Probably like 2 spoons like that. Let me put this aside. So I was saying, yeah, charcoal became really popular in the beauty cosmetics industry probably about 4 or 5 years ago, when all the products for skin treatment like face mask, face hair impact, or as well as like whitening teeth treatments, they're made basically using activated charcoal powder. So charcoal powder is a great mineral powder, and it's used to again whiten your teeth, or is a really deep cleansing mineral. So that's the reason why I wanted to make some mini soaps. Now on this project I won't be using any fragrance, but I'm gonna add some tea tree oil, tea tree essential oil, because I want these soaps to be as natural as possible. So I put some essential oil in there. Apologies about the noise of the jug. And then you literally stir it for a few minutes. And then you simply pour it in the mold. Make sure. As you can see, it's a really nice deep black colour. I like guest soap size because it gives you the opportunity for people to try your soap, especially if you want to sell them. It's not as full, but that will do. Okay, right, so we're gonna come back again once the soap is fully solidified, and I'll show you how to unmold them. I'll see you very soon. Right guys, I'm back. So ready to unmold. Very easy. Just pull it and they come out fairly easily. So you can use these as a wedding flavors or little gift, like birthday gift for your kids. Again, many different uses. So they will look nice as table seat, if you put the name on a little toothpick for weddings and stuff. They're your skin will love this because of the charcoal. Please let me know if you try them, because I use a different variation, because I use mine. I put some sugar scrub to make it more like a scrub soap, and the charcoal as well. So hope you liked the tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That will support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll link my social media down below. I've got Instagram, I've got a Facebook group. Right, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye.